Hi friends, today we are making a healthy treat for our furry friends. This 5-ingredient treat uses good quality ingredients for our dog's good health and reduce skin itchiness due to allergies. I'm not adding peanut butter to this recipe as some dogs may have allergies to nut butters. Let's check out the ingredients. We have half cup of rolled oats and half cup shredded coconut. Also 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed and 1 ripe banana. To this we will add 2 tablespoons organic coconut oil. We will first grind or blend the rolled oats into a slightly coarse powder. To this we can add ground flaxseeds and shredded coconut. Just grind them all together. There we have it, a slightly coarse powder. Now we will add a sliced banana. Make sure the banana is fully ripe. Just peel and slice thickly. Then add the coconut oil. Just blend all this for 1 to 2 minutes to get a nice soft dough. Place the dough in a bowl and allow dough to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the dough on a chopping board. We can place a plastic sheet at the bottom of the dough and another plastic sheet on top. This will make our job much easier. Roll out to a thin layer of 2 to 3 mm. Now we can cut the dough to shapes as preferred. Use any molds that we have to cut small shapes. Now they are all ready. Place the cookies in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove from the oven and allow cookies to cool down completely. Then place in airtight containers. Let's check the cookies. They are slightly crunchy and break easily. Now the best part. Let's see if our pooch loves these cookies that we have made for him. Thanks for joining me today in this episode making dog treats. Let me know in the comments if you like the recipe. Please like and share and subscribe to more easy recipes. Happy baking!